We do obviously continue to see cases climbing exponentially across the entire county, so those tests will be important for people to have some peace of mind, but also to just plan logistically if they do test positive so that they can adjust as necessary to be able to quarantine at home and keep their loved ones and coworkers and neighbors and everyone in their circles safe. Our understanding is that the distribution of the rapid kits will be closer to 35,000 per day moving forward so that we can have as many of them as possible before we get another shipment in. And we do want to reinforce the message that was delivered by Dr. Stoddard yesterday, that we do humbly request that residents don't hoard these, that they just take the ones that they need for what they feel they need right now. More will be coming, but if we take too many out initially, then there won't be enough for the rest of our public. And that connects to all of us because public health impacts all of us.